Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday. I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing great because I'm also doing great, guys. Yeah, it's that day. It's that day, actually, NFP day. We just left with few hours, actually, very few hours. But now it's still actually early, so you can see that we have it's Friday. Just go on your economic calendar, you will see 2:30. So change that to your time zone. On my side it's actually past 9 now, so it means very few hours, then we're going to have NFP. So it seems like NFP is gonna actually go a little bit lower. That will be very good for us who actually want to buy NASDAQ, US30, gold, and the other ones. I hope you get that. I hope you get that. So, yeah, with that, I hope maybe you will check that economic calendar. So, for those who want to test my signals, we have everything for you guys. $11, 3 months. I know you can't get that anywhere, guys. So you get all actually VIP signals for 3 months. But if you want like unlimited, you want like 6 months, there are also different prices. You can just let me know if you want to be part of the team. So what's really happening on the market? Yes, yesterday the market was trying to actually reverse. The market was reversing. Why? Because a few days ago the market was just going up. Actually, as we start with GBPUSD, GBP, please guys, I forgot to say this. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So as we started with GBPUSD, you can easily see that where we are actually on a very nice uptrend. If you don't really know much about an uptrend, you can go on my channel. There are different learning material videos actually, then you can learn from them, or you can check my description. There is a free Telegram link where you can get some documents. So you can easily see that this thing is actually GBPUSD is been actually pushing to the upside. But if you check, the market actually reversed even before touching our support area. But on top here, we have this resistance area, which is pushing the market to push actually lower. So if you still remember, I said, yes, I still believe that today, actually on an NFP day, I'm expecting the market to shoot a little bit higher. And I think that maybe that will happen, but we will see. If you are not in the group, obviously you're not going to actually see that. So now we are actually on a 4 hours time frame. Let's see. So on a 4 hours time frame, you can see that the market is coming actually, or let me just make this, yeah, like that. So you can see that the market is coming from the upside here, going down. So yesterday we were around this area. The market was respecting this area. You can see we marked that. But here we also have another sort of a support. So I think the market will test this resistance. And if we break out, obviously we're going to have something like that. Or we can say, just for us to be safe, we can say, since we have this resistance, we can mark that resistance and say above this resistance we need to push to the upside. Do you see that? I hope you see that, guys. I hope you see that. Something like that. So your stop loss is not supposed to be far, but at the same time it's not supposed to be way too closer. You see, something like that. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. And guys, don't forget we also have a mentoring coach. Not sorry, trading coach, not mentoring coach. Trading coach. Actually, that it's going to be very few people. I'm going to actually be your coach. If maybe you've been trading, you don't really see any progress, and sometimes you're wondering if there's something wrong with you. No, you just need someone who is going to be on your side and to hold you accountable and to show you what to do, not what to do, and take trades that we're supposed to take and have a trading plan. So I can do that for you. We can be in that team. 10 people it's fine, or even 20, it's also fine. So if you want to be in that, if you want that, it's actually, you can just talk to me. But that is $250 because I'll be helping you to eat. So now we are actually on EURUSD. What's really happened? Still very nice uptrend, very nice uptrend. Actually, we can push this dotted line to go a little bit closer and touch these areas. You see that? Yeah, something like that. So we see that every time when the market touches this area, we see what? We see the market is pushing to the upside. But here around number 4, the market did and reversed. I think around when the market, not when the market opened, around NFP, because today's NFP day, around NFP time there, when they release, if it's going to be negative, it seems to be going to be a negative. I think that will be a good thing. Actually, maybe we'll see the market pushing to the upside. Remember, most of the time the market will respect a technical analysis, technical structure, regardless of whether there is news or something. You see, I hope you understand that. So what's really happening here is the market tried. Yay, this was a aggressive reversal. Actually, I think we also took a loss here yesterday. Why? Because I think we had around this area we had a buy pending order, and the market pushed lower. But it seems like the market wanted to respect this area, and it seems like now the market wants to push to the upside. Do you see that? It seems like now the market wants to push to the upside, and if that happens, it's not really surprising. It's not really far from our support area. Plus, where we are, the market just created several candlesticks. You can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 4 hours. I think it's 20, or let's say 16 hours. Actually 16 hours straight, the market was just playing around the same area. So that shows you that the market is no longer want to do what, continue going down. So I'm expecting the market to push the upside. Plus, remember, we actually broke out of this nice downtrend. Actually, we can call it a wedge structure. You can see after we break out after that, now we see a nice retest. Actually, it's a reversal, a retest, but the market might continue pushing up like that. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So now I'm actually expecting to see, as I said, actually I need to buy. I think NFP is gonna be bad. Obviously, the likes of EURUSD might push to the upside. So yes, I might be wrong, guys. It's not like maybe whatever that I'm saying here is 100% going to happen. But this is according to my analysis. I think we will see the market pushing to the upside. Yes, now we are actually on gold. What's really happening currently? We've been talking about the other structures. You can go back and watch them if maybe you want to see what happened, what might happen, whatever. So now we just here on 4 hours time frame. We just want to see what's really happening. Obviously, on my side, I can see that the market is actually pushing to the upside. You can see that the market is pushing to the upside. You can see if I go, let's just go maybe on a bit smaller time frame. Let's see. You can see that the market gave us some signs here. Do you see that? Or maybe I can start from this area. You can see that. So it means that there is a chance for the market to bounce back around this area, or maybe the market might even reach this support area before we see another push. If that doesn't really happen, obviously it means we have to actually wait for the market to break that resistance. We can see that it's a resistance there. Do you see that? I hope you see that. That is actually our resistance. But where we are, obviously we can't buy or sell. We are still in the middle. Yes, that is actually an uptrend, but we just have to wait for the market to do what? To reach this area or to break out here before we see the market push to the upside. I hope you see that. The market might bounce back, touch this area, push up, or the market might break this area. So it means, what I'm trying to say is, we can wait for the market to reach this area before. You should practice patience, guys. If you practice patience, most of the time you're going to survive all these ups and downs of the market. Practice patience. Practice to wait. Learn to wait for the market to confirm. The market is not going anywhere, you see. So we have these two options. Whether if the market breaks out there, it means we will be waiting for actually to have a nice buy. If not, maybe the market will go down, then maybe we will have to buy around that area, then the market will go up with us. If not, we might be wrong. The market might break our support area, and it's not like we will be wrong. If it breaks, we will see that and we will look for the sell positions. Simple as that. we are not fixed. We are not fixed to whatever that's happening there. But what I like is we follow the market structure or the trends, you see. Now we are actually on US30. US30. Yeah, US30 yesterday actually did reverse very nice. Actually, I think we did have a trade. It was in profit. Boom boom, then it started to push lower, but we are still actually on a very nice uptrend. So what's really happening here? You can easily see that yes, the market has been showing us that I'm pushing to the upside. So what's really happening here is I'm still expecting the market to push a little bit higher. Why? Because before, if you check this area, the market did push up. Every time the market touches this area, push to the upside. And if you check this area, it was a bit lower, little bit higher than before, and now it's even higher. It means the third one or the fourth one, whatever, is gonna be a little bit higher also. So which means it's gonna be higher high, something like that. I hope you see that. I hope you know about what I'm trying to tell you here. So we can go on a 4 hours time frame and see what's really happening. We can go on a 4 hours time frame. Actually, it's NFP day. Don't forget that the market might go crazy. So I'm not expecting to take any trade currently. The reason behind that, the market can go crazy. So this area is no longer making sense. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark this area. Now that is our area. So from this area, I'm expecting the market to do what? To actually push to the upside. The market might start to push the upside from that area. There is this thing flying, man. I think the market will actually do something like that. So let's go on a smaller time frame and see what's really happening. So you have to relax and do your analysis very nice, guys. Don't always be in a rush, because you will actually make some serious mistakes. And mistakes in the market, it means you will be paying. You remember what I said? Practice patience. If today you did not make anything, it doesn't mean that it's the whole week or the whole month. No, relax. You're still going to make a lot. I know you're going to make a lot. Whoever who is watching this video, I know you're going to make it one day, as long as you're not going to give up. So what's really happening here? As long as you practice patience also. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To actually push higher. We are actually on an uptrend, guys. Don't just expect the market, just because we said it's an uptrend, and expect the market to go straight up like that. Nope, it won't happen. So the market will just do its thing, boom, up until we reach some areas up there. So what I'm expecting now is I'm just expecting the market to start to push up very nice. But since we have the news, guys, I don't really want to give anyone signals. The market might go crazy. I will give you signals around that time, around NFP release, around 2:30 actually. Something like this can actually work very nice. It can work very nice, you see. Something like that. If we have something like that, I hope we can actually have some very nice trades. Anyways, let's push to the next one, which is NASDAQ. NASDAQ. So what's really happening here? I like the structure here. I like these structures. Actually, we are pushing to the upside. You can see, or let me just show you what was happening before that. You can see that on a bigger time frame, a daily time frame, the market was actually pushing to the upside, and it's still pushing to the upside. So now I'm expecting the market to go even further. Maybe today we might reach 16,000. If NFP is going to be bad, I'm expecting 16,000, 16K. We might reach that. So I hope you see that. So anyways, let's push back to our 4 hours time frame so that we can see what's really happening. Let's go. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to test my signals, $11 is very cheap. But if you want lifetime, 12 months, 6 months, we already have that. You can just WhatsApp me or check the description. You will find everything. So let's go. On NASDAQ here, we have some very nice structures, but we just have to point out some of the structures here. Let me just remove this. We don't really have to draw like thousands structures because they will end up confusing you. So we actually had a nice buy yesterday, and that is actually still holding us. But I could not actually close. The profit was very smaller. But I think the market will be pushing up. So here it's quite difficult for us to say, is this a resistant or maybe the market, you can't know. But what we know is the market has been actually consolidating around this area. But I'm expecting the market to push a little bit up so that I can close those positions. Then I will just wait for the news. So I think this area, we will see maybe a sort of reversal before we push the upside. Or we can have maybe something like this and say, you know what, let's try to have a resistance there, because the market has been playing games. You can see that box there. The market has been playing around that. So we can say if the market goes above this area, we will be ready to take a buy. Or if maybe the market comes back around this support area, we will be ready to look for that a buy again. I hope you see that. Or maybe things might change. We also have some options. It's not like we don't really see. We can draw something like this. Maybe the market will end up creating something like that. Maybe. I'm not saying it will create that. Maybe the market will do something like this and start to push to the upside. Something like that. It's possible. So anyways, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends, guys. If you subscribe, you're just making this channel to grow very quick. And you're also pushing me to give you some very nice analysis actually every day. Every day. So anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next channel. I hope you're gonna eat. Don't forget, learn, practice to be patient. I know you're gonna make it. See you on the next one. Bye.